To upload a custom HTML template on Mailchimp, follow these steps. Prepare your HTML template. Ensure your HTML template is well structured with inline CSS, as Mailchimp may strip out external CSS or unsupported elements. Test the template in different email clients to ensure compatibility. Log into Mailchimp. Go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Navigate to the template section. In the Mailchimp dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab. Select Email Templates from the menu on the left. Create a new template. Click on the Create Template button. From the options, choose Code Your Own and then select Pasting Code. Paste your HTML code. A text editor will appear where you can paste your custom HTML code. Ensure your code is properly formatted for email compatibility. Once posted, click Save to keep the template in Mailchimp. Use your template. Now, your custom HTML template is available for use when creating new campaigns. Simply select it from the template library when creating your email campaign.